This is Apostle Lance Businge, your marriage and relationships coach, and I am here to warn you against marrying fake people, especially those people whom you are not sure that they will love you unconditionally. Do not marry such a person. But the question is, how do you know that the person you are dating is a fake? It is simple. If you cannot sustain a relationship with a girl without spending your money on her, then she is fake. And if you cannot sustain a relationship with a man without you having to sleep with him, then you need to know that this man is fake. And I want you to know that there are so many people out there who are manipulators naturally. They are users and they are gold diggers. And their major focus in life is to get from you, but they don't add anything to you. And such people do not deserve your attention and your time. Now, the mistake that so many young men are making, especially those who have some money, is that they are using their money to win or to get a wife. That is a huge mistake, because as long as you are spending money on a woman, you will never know whether she wants you or just wants your money. Because as long as you're spending your money on her, you cannot be sure that she's coming to you because of your money or that she loves you. And then we have women out there who are using their body trying to win a man. So they sleep with this man and they will never know whether this man loves them or just loves the sex they are giving them, as long as you're sleeping with them. So the advice I have for you is this: if you want to be sure that this woman is not just after your money, all you have to do is create a problem and then stop giving them money. Tell them that you have issues with your businesses and you're not able to spend as much as you've been spending. And then make sure you sustain it at least for a certain period of time. If these people show themselves to be supportive and they stick with you in that moment, then you can be sure that they are not fake. And also for the ladies, withhold sex from that gentleman. If he still comes back to you and if he still pursues the relationship with you and wants to go ahead and marry you even when you have refused to sleep with them, then you will know that you have someone. I want you to be warned that the most lonely people on earth are rich people, because everyone just wants to be around them because of their money. And in the process, they also get women who get married to them because of the money. And if they ever have issues in future or problems with their businesses or finances, that's when they will understand that they were dating a fake woman. But in order for you not to regret in the future, I want to advise you, find a way of proving this person, of testing this person by withholding the thing that you think is what is drawing them to you or is what is attracting them to you. Withhold it from them. Now, this is what I want us to understand, that before you get married to anyone, make sure that your feelings are mutual. Make sure that as much as you want them in your life, they also want you. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be investing in a person who does not invest in you in return. You don't want to be building someone who does not build you in return. You don't want to be spending all your life investing on people who only care about what they are getting from you and not about what they are giving to you. Remember, marriage is a two-way lane. You give and you expect also to receive. You don't have to be in a marriage where you are only giving but not getting in return. Love can only be sustained when it is reciprocated. If they are not reciprocating it, then you don't have to be married to them. I want to warn you, at the end of the day, you will regret if you don't make your decision wisely. Stay blessed.